Are you looking at improving the way you run your business? You want to understand how your estimates work, how your budget's going, and get your specifications on point? This is something that we can help you with because we build templates within Buildxact that help you do exactly that. It's going to help you from start to finish with your whole estimating process. Let's take a look. This is what I call the builder's template in Buildxact. So in here, you can see there's a long list of items that are going to help you build a house, do a renovation. Maybe it's a deck extension or something small, or it could be a huge $10 million architectural build. This can do anywhere from a small bathroom to a huge build like that. As you can see, we've got everything in here. And in these, we've got recipes, we've got pricing. It's going to help you with your job from start to finish. And then from there, you've also got a huge list of specifications too. So in this specifications list, you'll find anywhere from every little bit that's going to help your client understand exactly what's included or excluded from the job. So as you can see, once again, a massive list of items. And this is a tick and flick list, really. So you're meant to add or remove items. So the big thing this template also does is from the estimate costings is when you turn it from an estimate into a job, what it does is it converts all of your costings into trade costings. So you can have, for example, painting in multiple sections, and it's going to convert it into one painting section just for you within that job section. Yeah, if you're interested in our templates or maybe some custom templates or anything like that, feel free to reach out and we can give you a bit more information, or you can view our websites online and view our videos. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, guys.